Hey guys, my name's David, and on this episode I'm going to show you how to remove Teflon tape from a pipe or pipe fitting, and it's not with a toothbrush, which is the common recommendation. Okay, so we see here I got some Teflon tape on a fitting here, and I need to get this off. Now the best way is to unpeel it the way it came, but usually after it's been on a pipe for a while, that's not going to happen. It's all ingrained in there. So in this case, like I can't even find... This is a new piece too, and I can't even find the end. So what you want to do is get yourself a needle like this and just find any groove. It doesn't matter where. You're not trying to save the tape. And you can see, if you just pull it, it starts to create a big gap in there. And you can either, if it's really just shredded, just start pulling bits and pieces and go thread by thread until you have enough of it sticking out that you can just grab a good chunk of it and pull it off like this. So that part was a little bit easier because this is a fairly new pipe fitting, but see this part here is really stuck in there. So same thing, you just dig in there with the needle until you just get these strands out. And it comes right out. It's like magic. So you can see just like that, took all the Teflon tape off, no problem. So depending on how old it is and crusty and rusted it might be a little bit more work, but regardless, you just have to pop up enough of it until you can get your fingers to pinch on it and pull. So give it a shot, hopefully that helps you guys out. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, and until the next one, have a great day.